These are the design details for ZR data model. It has 6 entities and several attributes and key fields. These details are documented in the design phase of any MDG project, and it should be available before realization phase starts. In this session, we will briefly review the data model design as well as the data modeling steps. Data model implementation has several distinct steps. The steps are laid out here in a specific sequence. Over the next several sessions, we will discuss the implementation steps as well as the underlying MDG concepts in detail. This session is just to get an overview of where we are headed. We use the data dictionary to create the data elements and domain. In several cases, the data elements already exist in the underlying ERP system and can be reused in MDG. In rental car implementation, all the data elements and domain are manually created. The next set of prerequisites relate to check tables. The check tables are relevant for entity type of storage and usage types 2 and 3. The check tables have to be created and loaded with data. In this data model, we will be loading data for parking types and rental car locations. Now, with the prerequisites in place, rest of the steps are executed within the customizing transaction MDG IMG. Create the data model ZR. Then we create the entities for the data model. Then for each entity, create the corresponding attributes. Next, define relationships between the entities. This will complete data modeling. At this point, save and activate the data model. With activation, MDG framework generates the corresponding structures and tables.